We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender, and it's all about the young police from Jamaica. Seeing Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Blessed love, Rastafari. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment channels give you an average between 10 to 15 minutes. This is not an entertainment channel, so you have to go elsewhere if you want entertainment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, mama, papa, side chick or side man, and tell them to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you will gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore contents that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel's functionalities. Douglas Chambers, who was killed by PMP criminal organization members, and it came from the top, and to date the person who have given that order has not been arrested and charged for that murder. So you can go to Patreon and you'll be able to see the face and name of those persons. So thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional content. So moving on to today's video. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Yeah, so if this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not an entertainment channel. You know, entertainment. Yes. To all of my loyal viewers and subscribers at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. If you can hear me, just give me a thumbs up. Because you know, sometimes audio and all kind of things, you know, happen at times. Yes, so we have seen the, you know, as we stated before now, and we continue to say again that we're always behind the police, 1,000,000%. Yes, and if you have read, you know, go through the various media houses and newspapers online, you won't see this at all. Reason being is that something happened in Jamaica that has never happened before since independence. I would notice that we haven't seen any coverage about it in the mainstream media. None. We haven't seen any from the vloggers too. Apparently, it's not. This news is not good news for them. It's bad news. So, you know that. Thank you, yeah, man. Thank you, Freddie, yeah, man. Yeah. So because it's not bad news, yeah, man. The vloggers them don't cover it at all. You don't see it nowhere. So apparently that means it goes to show you that who is rooting for Jamaica and who is rooting against Jamaica. But we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Remember, we want to use this opportunity to congratulate the officers, especially DSP Leonard Edwards. Yeah, man, them call him party police. That's the man down in a St. James was brought his experience and professionalism to the people of St. James. And this is a man, you know, who has good communication skills, you know, him know fi like poor people communicate with him 'cause from ever since, you know, the man get the people love him, you know. I tell you that, you know, believe you me, you know. But we can tell you this that this has never happened in the history of Jamaica. To all who believe in a statistic and data, we have never ever in our history of Jamaica. It's at 2025, you know, where the parish of St. James have one murder. Let that sink in. One murder. And based on information received, the murder the murder is not even a gun murder. This is like a man go commit a you know maybe my pre the last a thief, a pre the lastness, my thief and the people them dispense them own justice because the people them don't really believe in our system anymore because them say that the system have been betraying them. But we want to use this opportunity for congratulate the police, them and DSP Edwards, the police officers in St. James, the senior superintendent, the ear officer, and the men and women of the St. James division. We say if any other division can achieve this feat, because this is not easy thing, you know. This is something we're supposed to do all over with TVJ, CVM, the Jamaican Observer, the Jamaican Gleaner, where it's support just like how when St. James, you know, a rock up murder and every day you see them put all of the St. James boy, the murder capital of Jamaica. Them don't all them to put this out. So this goes to show you who is rooting for and against Jamaica. But we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We always are root for Jamaica, especially with police. Because you know we love the police and them thing there. I mean, we not stop fight because from we are four, you know, from I was 4 years old. Is a man named Tom Levine why I want to be a police officer because we are the people them in a Jonestown talk about Tom Levine. Me not talk about no other police. Me not talk about people from my family. Me not talk about a man who's a stranger that left of what the man have been doing, that left that impression on me that me say, no man, that me want to become. That was my first celebrity, Tom Levine. And Tom Levine was not DJ or a politician. He was a detective, Admiral Town Police Station. And the people in my Jonestown love him. So now we can see that Jamaica is on the right track because of police officers like DSP Leonard Edwards. If we have police officers like Leonard Edwards in every division of Jamaica, the other division them can achieve one murder per month or maybe zero. So some people are saying, so we don't see it in a Gleaner or the Observer. You have to understand, say good news no sell, a bad news sell. So this now showing that the country is going in the right direction based on the crime plan and what the police are doing. And them not like that. Remember, you know, just remember that it was last month, you know, we are showing the real enemies that are Jamaica, you know, because most people, you know, them always asleep at the wheel, you know, and them not pay attention. As the years truly, I know my enemies them from when I was growing up. So look, you have to understand. So you look right now at some media entity. You look on JBC. JBC are for people from my age group or people who come up in the early 90s. Yeah, JBC. Most people don't know, you know, JBC is a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization mouthpiece. When I was growing up, I born and raised in a PMP community. I born and growing in a Belly Eye Beast, Jonestown, Concrete Jungle. So no guy, when I say no guy on YouTube, no guy in we work at CVM, TVG, nowhere, Gleaner, Observer. Them not have the experience and the credibility as yours truly. None of them. Journalists, police, not even police. We used to station even at Kingston West. They don't have the credibility and the experience as yours truly. Because me see it for myself. Because me born and raised in a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization community. When I was growing up, the one that, at the time we never have CVM and JBC and TVJ, it was JBC. We have two stations then back in Jamaica, JBC and RGR. At the time, RGR never have no TV station, so it was only one station. We have JBC. Those who remember the time JBC used to sign on when them have a curtain. When we say curtain, we talk curtain we use to hide the window and all of them things. When them used to open up and start the program. That's from where I come from. And JBC, although them have the TV station, you know what parents should allow we for watch it, but guess what? They make sure we supervise when we watch it too, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Yeah. And then now in the 80s down, you know, used to like on Friday you get a karate show and on a Saturday you get some dopey show. I don't know if people remember them thing there, you know, like especially people in my age group. Sometimes you watch out some dopey show, you're afraid, me I tell you. So but then when I was growing up in a Jonestown, you know, me I tell you, you know, that's at the belly of the beast. So when a guy I tell you about him come from East, or him come from Waterhouse, or him come from yes or this. All of these places, them are Johnny come lately. Whisper criminality ban, the baby, the crime, the monster. We take up we have Pitney all over and Grand Pitney in Jamaica. I wish where I was born and raised. Ask your grandmother, or your grandfather, or your aunt, or your uncle, or anybody who older than yours truly, or my age. There's nowhere else. Everything come from right there, sir. So when I tell you about the mother and father of all Garrison at Tivoli Gardens, tell them that I, Chris Porter, is telling you a lie them I tell. A Jonestown concrete jungle. That is where it starts. Two police officers I had seen when I was a youth growing up issuing guns, M16s, 9mm pistol and 38 revolver, named Paul Barrington Hamilton, and another one named Big Youth. Big Youth is a man walking him towel over him shoulder. It's like yesterday me I look on come I tell you from memory. So JBC when I was growing up, my mother never used to make me listen to JBC on the radio. Yeah. But then when I change it, and I like no, you know, everything digital. Then them time it was analog. So when you turn the station, you'd see the one like the red cursor would have show you where you are. Guess what them do? Them cut off that off the radio. Cause JBC radio, you know, is where you get all of the fun things them and all of the latest music and not uplifting music, you know, but the one and them encourage you to become criminals. The moderators and the people that work on JBC, they did everything to encourage youths and people to commit crimes in Jamaica, while them demonize the security force, especially the police. So them embedded, them planted in our people's mind, say police are enemy. This is what they have been doing, you know, from 1970s. That's why them not like me. But I don't care because I'm not doing anything for people to like me. So what is happening now in a 2025 is the same thing with these people. The police in a St. James have done something remarkable. History. I want to see it in our paper. None. I've said it and I'll say it again. These are the best commissioner of police we have ever have. since Herman Ricketts. Yes, making Jamaica great again. This commissioner of police. What you mean? This a man a genius, man. This man know how to motivate the police officers them. The only thing still though, we want the two police them from East, where the judge and remand over a week over last week for killing three murderers. We see man charge real 8 counts of murder. A boy named ZELLE from Inner West, down by St. James. Him get bail. Him charge 8 counts of murder for kill 8 different time. And him dep on bail. And we have police officer who kill 3 murderers. We prevent them from committing another mass murder. And the judge remand them. Something need to be done about that, man. But you know, sir, we all about the police. And we want to congratulate the commissioner of police on a job well done. 1 murder. So no guy can't take that from this commissioner of police. Because it happened under his watch. So even all the naysayers, and I said, boy, you know, because him uncle Owen Ellington, you know, wasn't the kind of police like Blake. So you see, sometimes, boy, don't judge a book by its cover or based on its past. Just deal with the present and the future. We can't tell you that Dr. Kevin Blake, boy, the man is a blessing in disguise. I don't know where this man come from, but all I know say, boy, I do a good job. Excellent job. So the reason why these people, as we tell you already, you know, if you don't know your enemy, you know, and you as parents in a Jamaica or you understand, you have to understand that CVM and TVG, the Gleaner, the Observer, and all of these media houses in a Jamaica, they are enemies of the poor. Because if they weren't enemies of the poor, they would have educate the people and make them know, say, you understand, that the police in St. James have done something remarkably. The Jamaican Gleaner is one of the poor people's enemies, you know, along with the others, you know. And it started from 1972 to present. PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization propaganda machine. Is what whether or not you want to believe it, you know. It's only one political party in a well, not a political party. It masquerades up as a political party, but it's a criminal organization. It's only one of them of a human rights group that's out there defending criminal. One. And that's it. Jamaican for Justice is an arm of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. So they do not want they don't want a law. They don't want a lawful Jamaica. They want a lawless Jamaica. Any Jamaican can show me where they must both tell them I see it. The Jamaican Labour Party, which is government right now, show me a human rights group or a criminal rights group that them funded and having a Jamaica. You can't show me none because the Jamaica Labour Party do not support criminals. And the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, yeah man, what you mean? And them support criminals. Them no love law-abiding citizens. Jamaican for Justice is an arm of the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, which is criminal rights group and the enemy of poor people. And they do not know that poor people from my community at Johnson don't know, say, the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, Jamaican for Justice, NIA, and I went about the mother Patriots and Michael Jackson. And them are one enemy. It's not the police. Oh, me born and grow at Johnson and me still alive. Reason being because I never subscribed to my mother subscribed to the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization philosophy. I told we left. To all of the dummies them who want to send me a labor, a fool. I want to know sense. Look on everybody from my age group, them dead. A PMP culture. Why you think the media hide it from us? Because the media are an enemy. A poor people enemy. The same media house them in Jamaica are an enemy. If they love Jamaica, guess what? You see what happened with one murder for February? We never, even when me a police, even in the 80s when criminals on the run, there was never a month where Jamaica have one murder. And in a 2025, that means the commissioner of police, along with his men and women under his command, along with because of government policies, you know, the Jamaica Labour Party, you know, defund the police force, you know, as a PMP did when I was a police officer. Some me start ride bicycle, you know. Man, I say, oh boy, you love to talk about that. That's my legacy. No PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization, police can't take that from me. You know, all of the bicycle, the money police, and me start that. Because me love Jamaica, me a patriot. These people don't love Jamaica. If them love Jamaica, this would have been make front page for motivate the Jamaican people to say, yes, see it, hey, look here, when you're informer, this is how it happen. You're rhythmic criminal on the run. Hey, you know so what happen? All some of the so-called top shotters them run away from Jamaica. Only thing I joke me I make? Alright. So that Danville Palmer, you know, is Mark Golding top shotter, you know. Yes, Danville Palmer, Mark Golding top shotter. Whether or not you want to believe it. Yes. What you mean? I tell you. He's one a film top shotter that them people are Satan in disguise. So if you love Jamaica, this is something you that celebrate. And this is a policeman. Yeah, man. Hey, look here. This man supposed to you say all in America, when they come on to all war, because Jamaica is at war with itself, you know, with these criminals, you know. The Jamaican people, whether or not you don't want to believe it, Jamaica is at war with itself along with these people. So the enemies them are Jamaica. Peter Bunting, Michael Jackson, Mark Golding. Remember, you know, whether or not you don't want to believe it, you know, remember I said the other day, you know, Peter Bunting and Michael Jackson lobbying in the coming of arrest and charge cops and soldiers with murders, you know, without evidence, you know. There are, you know, say they are for the killers of in Jamaica. These are the people, you know. Remember, say Peter Bunting got in the coming up because him see the murder rate go down and one murder St. James have. Jamaican people have to wise up to them people, you know. Take off on a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization at for the first time in a decades, the people them are St. James and one murder them have. So you know who's that bad for? That bad for business to the undertaker. It good for the detective kind have less work. And bad for PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. And then good for law abiding citizens. Because guess what? Informer a work. That's what we want. See the enemy them here, you know. And these are the people them, you know, the other day, you know. We are set in the come for lock up with police them and with soldier them, you know, for murder without any evidence. They might tell you about camera. And criminal them are defending, you know, them not defend you and your family. These are the enemies of the Jamaican people. There's nothing where the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization can give me why me would accept them in my surrounding. These people are epitome of evil. Them not love black people. At where we left. And we can tell Peter Bunting, Michael Jackson, Mark Gold, and the whole of one corrupt PMP. We can go laba juice on the mama. At where we left from my age group. And the reason why me passionate, if I didn't have a good mother, I would end up like for them. Those who used to go to high school with me, I'll even a teacher. You don't know. Because of where you come from, people already did forecast what going to happen to me in my life. Now for them, yeah, all right. Those who know a teacher when him Doran Dixon, he was what time the president of the JTA of Jamaica. He was one of my teacher, bad man teacher. You understand? I tore away from my community. You understand? PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization community. The only thing the PMP know for do is create criminals and prop them up. Them encourage you to become the law-abiding citizens. So see your man there, Mark, gonna be a golden, the British national, you know, the man born in Britain, you know. Oh, we reach a point there. We are gonna become like the American them, the fool, low IQ white, licky American them. We have grade 3 education. We a man, we are can artist, can them. We are gonna make a big belly white man come to Jamaica, come can we too, and derail what are going on in our country. We only have one murder. If we get rid of this man and them, we can't have no murder. That we want. These people are criminals. Remember, you know, Mark gonna be a goal in, and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, attacking the police force and member the third time in one day in a February because them see the murder rate go down. Who these people looking out for? Who they are looking out for? Them not look out for Jamaican people. Them are look out for criminal, the murderers, them. You now go hear them come out now and say, boy, the police, them are St. James, I do a good job. Guess what? Because it's not political, it's not on a political mileage to them, for them go out there and talk about the murder rate. Because remember, 98% of the people them in a prison in Jamaica all over the world. If you go right back to them background, they are from PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization communities. I was born and raised there, so no guy can't talk to me. None of them have the credibility, the experience as yours truly, because I have seen it, born and raised in it. We can't, hey, look here, we're up on the right track, man. Yeah, man. Hey, look here, we now stop praise as a policeman. Him and him team. What you mean? Not because we know him. Because we know say this a man, hey, this a man is born for fight crime. This a man is not a political activist. This a man is a police. Anybody will come from the Kingston metropolitan area from in the late 80s and the 90s and the 2000s, if you don't know this a policeman, Eddie, them call him, yeah, Eddie, them Edwards, them call him Eddie. But we are St. Andrew South. Yeah, man, St. Andrew South, we call him party police. Yeah, and our brother named Sticky, Sticky give me name party police, Cause anyway, them man there, and from them man they hear music, them man they kill it with dance, like Michael Jackson. I saw them man they stay, This a man make it happen in Jamaica. So we can't say a politics, a crime. What we want? We want to see for Jamaica. We rather the fatal shooting rate go up than the murder rate. And we want we can't stop big up the police, man. Linward Edwards. Them man are not a hustler. Them man are police. Them man never got in a school. Hey, them man the way the man love police work. Them man never in a school business. It's just like even yours truly, Gunter, Henford Wade and them man they fight. Them man they are crime fighter. You see, most of the police them get promotion. Not for them a school, not for them a PA school them going, Them not do no police work, See police here. And the one and I did one about one near Mark Harris where you said that St. Andrews with the half a tree. And them kind of police in here we want, man. We want back the country and finally. So hey, look here. He's a policeman, He's a policeman. Contact me, And I tell when I say, boy, Porter, me not say nothing about this, This history where happening in Jamaica. And I say, what? Man say, oh, you know, see how one murder St. James have. I want to see it in the paper, them man, not know what. I say, all right. The man say, no, man, you have to deal with this and them thing there. So I say, all right, I have to address it because this history is another history that I'm making. This is a history. Who can break this record, If you make for them parish, them police division have one murder. Apart from, parish like Portland. We're not, you understand? But St. James create record. The murder capital for Jamaica, record one murder. So it's the people, we have to congratulate the people them are St. James. Because them tired of killing. But guess who not tired of it? Guess who want the killing for go on? These are the people who want the killing for go on. Yeah, man. The Gleaner, RGR, CVM and TVJ. And the Observer, because we don't see them mention nothing about it. Because them just have the people, them docile and passive and continue to tell them to eat the police. When I police are keep us safe. I want the best time this, if you as a Jamaican in a Jamaica, when I see a shooting and a shoot up now, people are playing a domino because the police them on the street. And guess what? Criminals are on the run. One thing when most people not gonna tell you, them not gonna tell you this, say, of all our political leaders, and one of them have a killer in their midst, People not gonna tell you that, You understand? So whether or not you want a smart goal in there, that an Englishman, a theme top killer that, Most of them know that, Danville Palmer, Mark Golding, top killer. Guess what? Him da Barbados now. So anyone from Barbados I watch, we no country need to push him out and send him back to Jamaica. Can him get where the other day? Him a killer, murderer, Mark Golding killer. The British guy, the guy from Britain, the big belly guy, gummy bear, a theme killer that. Me not say no legend, I tell you, you know. Cause this is boy I come from my community, me born and grow. People from the still talk with me and them thing there. You understand? And people I search out people, I search out. When I search people 4 and 5, them have my number. When I idiot and all them thing, they think the people them are fool. This boy, a Mark Golding killer, Danville Palmer. Mark Golding give him money to put back all, steal it him foot after him and him matches there and shut him up. Mark Golding said him gone to Barbados. He's in Barbados. It's not a man who want to see us live in a peace. He want us to live in a fear and criminals because that's the only way, you know, them see them way to achieve power in a Jamaica. Over here, son of goldfish, them in our for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters who do not like to hear the truth. If you want to hear the real mama papa truth, I say you hear it. We not sugarcoat nothing. Over here, son of entertainment channel. And if you just join the live or yeah, man, I give the like button, hit up the like button and share the video. Share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your mama, your papa, and your neighbor. Make them know say, hey, the Jamaica Young Police Channel, I tell you something that is historical. That your CVM, your TVG, your Jamaica Gleaner, your Jamaica Star, your Observer, them not tell you. But we are tell you that Jamaican police has created history. Yes, them create history in which Jamaica only have one murder in a St. James. The place which were gunshot used to rain down upon the people them. So that a Mark Golding top killer. So the people them are Barbados where I watch, make your police them kick him out of your country and send him back to Jamaica. A whole heap of people him kill. That is Mark Golding, that is Gummy Bear, top killer. When I send our legend, tell Gummy Bear come so way. Come so way Gummy Bear. Because number one, you're not a Jamaican. Go on back to your country. Are you from your enemy of police, you're enemy of us. Anybody from you are the enemy of police, you are enemy of the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Orator. Born and grown in a belly of beast. No. You fake, but you're a junglist. You're not a junglist, you're fake. I am a junglist. So nobody come and fool the people them. We want back with Jamaica. See it? We're about forget it back. So Michael Jackson, the CEO of Jamaican for Justice is a criminal organization, and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization are upset that the murder rate is declining because of police officers like DSP, Linroy, Edwards, and him team, and the young police officers them in St. James and other division in Jamaica work to make criminals on the run. That's why Mark Golding killer Danville Palmer run him to Barbados police them need for send him back to Jamaica. We have to make certain the people. I send it again. I send this to the Barbados police, you know, to my contact in Barbados. Look for him and send him back. We don't want them in the country because all them come with is them criminality. Him have a brother, you know, get the port we kill somebody or mirror. Like, I don't know them blue state and them thing, you know. Because that the boy them should have execute him. And that's a matter of time for him got the departure launch, you know. Because we done with the jail business, you know. We want them boy, them supposed to have diarrhea. Any guy with a gunman and killer, not supposed to live. And I feel like, so, yesterday, no, a different era. We want back to Jamaica and want it back from these people. Yeah, man, see, big belly guy there, the Gummy Bear from England. We don't want them guys in our country. Go on back to your country. You understand? When we tell people we know our enemies, them, if you don't know your enemies, then you're not going to know your friend. So we are sure, you know. So some people are saying, all right, so look there. These are enemy and poor people, you know. You look on a guy now to the left, his name Rowan James. How you mean? I tell you now. So little dummy and fool police, we can't think, we're educated, you know, in case you do not know. It's police like Rowan James. Why my community where I was born and raised is like that. It's police like Rowan James. We use his police service vehicle, carry illegal firearms and issue it to men in my community. Not because he did not do it, We don't know if him do it, I when I put it past him, but he's like a big youth and a Barrington Hamilton. He used the police chairmanship to try to strong arm the Jamaican people. The Jamaican Labour Party government was giving this man 3 years money, 3 years, to give the police them when them not owe him. And because he want to show him white daddy, him big belly white daddy, Mark gonna be a golden from England and batty face Peter Bunting. Say him a PMP, him a police, him a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, supporter, activist and voter. Because he should have been dismissed on the police force in 2011, but because of corruption, and when Portia Simpson was prime minister and a guy named Ardell Llewellyn, he was able to stay in a police force. That's so we want to get rid of corruption. So you have to see where it point, where the corruption is at. Right now in a Jamaica Constabulary Force, people are getting a promotion because they're aligned to Skendang or Danai Williams. These were the people that used to promote police officers. No want any police to tell me say I lie, me I tell, including Deputy Commissioner of Police, Preferred Blake. When PMP in a power, two person, you get promotion through. Danai Williams and Skendang. They're not elected official, they're a criminal. Allegedly, because they're involved in a crime. These are the people, Danai Williams and Skendang. These are people who were very influential in getting police officers promoted. So if you weren't a part of their corners, you can't get a promotion. You have to be a known PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization police officer when PMP in the power to get promotion. Danai Williams and Skendang. If you don't know them, man, you can't get a promotion. I just saw it go. I tell you. Because it's a criminal organization. So we want, since 1989, the police force operate as a police force, not as a criminal organization. And them now go after them enemies. When the PMP in a power, want them target them enemy. Them not target the criminals them. And them have them police squad out there. Where that their job is to target them enemies. When they're supposed to, every criminal is supposed to be with enemies. In a decade, since independence, Jamaica have one murder. One. And we celebrate it. And we give thanks for the hard-working police officers them in St. James. Yeah, man, DSP Linward Edwards. I don't know any police officer who dislike this man. He's a likable guy. You understand? Eddie is a man who likable because he's jovial from what I trained in school. What you mean? I just saw it go on them thing there. And I like me when enough police are like, especially thief in police. Thief in police are like me from my police because I always talk say, if a man thief, nobody thinks me I help you, I help you in a prison. I don't want a thief in police around me. Me don't like thief in police. I just saw it go. No matter about 2 years work on them thing now, you can't be a worker and a thief. You know, work like that for me. You understand? So this is history. Where, with Jamaican police create history. This is something we're supposed to be. So, we're supposed to, this is supposed to be something where everybody are promote and I say, yes, we are feel like Jamaica, we are get back this country. People start to have some form of the solace of having comfort for say, yes, you can walk on the road in the night or day. You can go play your domino. And a man who him not rich, but him can have him queue. You understand? You can go in bar and him chat all kind of foot. Then him walk home, him not have to worry. Remember, a couple months ago and them thing, all the criminal them was behaving in Jamaica. At 6 o'clock, the whole island locked down. And the criminal and police up on the street. And even the police them, although the police them, they don't do no work. Because they weren't motivated. Because you have a man who in a soldier. Oh, you can't turn soldier in a police unless him go, master of arms school or military police school. Him never go there. You can't turn soldier in a police. See, police here. This is a man who go through the Jamaica Police Academy, drink him old Joe and all of them things there. Any police when I don't know if them have all them things there, old Joe and all of them something there. Hey, me I tell you, man, this camaraderie. So we give thanks, man, for what is happening in Jamaica. So you can't, so Jamaican people, the people them were pessimistic and about, oh, Jamaica, no, we're optimistic. Jamaica a criminal paradise, but we are erasing with the help of DSP Linward Edwards and officers like him and the leadership in St. James and the leadership of the police force. The Jamaican Constabulary Force have a commissioner of police, one of the best since Herman Ricketts, and we say that without any apologies. Why this man I our best man? He not talk much, but wait, one thing we like with him, he might use social media for counter the criminal organization Jamaican for Justice, the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization Jamaican for Justice. Because the only thing that these people know to do is to promote death and destruction. So Jamaican people have to understand that that woman here, she is enemy of poor people. Any you lose any relative to violence, this is the woman you must look to. And if you want some form of justice or some excuse or some words, as you go look for her and tell her how you feel. I have said it publicly, and this is a public service announcement to anyone who knows Michael Jackson. If you contact the Jamaica Young Police Channel, because I have men from my community of Johnson and Concrete Jungle want to tell her thanks. Because she have a license gun, but she carry in her handbag. And man, men from Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, them want to know where you live and them want to know where you work. For come tell you thanks. We put it out there already. There's a number on the channel. So you can give us because you love criminals, you love murderers and rapists. And men from my community contact me and say, Chris, well, you know, have our address. We can just go out and just give out your address like that. You understand? We want you to tell where you live and where you work. So we can put it out there public because that's how when you give a consent. So we don't want to invade the privacy. And we're not going to do it privately and give nobody your address. We want you to come tell me. Because you love criminal, and them you defend. So you're supposed to have it up there on social media, on Jamaican for Justice, and when you release it, say, this is where I live and this is where I work. So people from my community can come visit you and tell you thanks. Because you have a gun and you have it in your handbag all the time. You know, left your handgun. So what you do with handgun if you're a big up criminal and you defend them? You're not supposed to walk in a handgun. You're not supposed to have no gun, period. So you don't like you, Michael Jackson. If you contact you and give you your address, your home address and your work address, so we can give people from my community, where me born at Jonestown and Concrete Jungle, for me give them because they want to tell you thanks. I talk about heartless criminals, people who got a prison and come back. So boy, because we tell them, say, you are them defender, and they want to tell you thanks. Men will kill people and they get convicted. One of them spend 8 years in jail and now he must sue. And him say, boy, thanks to Jamaican for Justice. Where I tell them, say, we don't have your home address to give him. Because they want it for tell you thanks. You are enemy of poor people, and law-abiding citizen. And when there's a war, you have to know your enemy. And she is the main enemy of poor people. Michael Jackson is a black woman who defend Black Lives Matter. But which are killers' lives, not law-abiding citizens' lives. We have never seen this woman come out and defend victims of crime. She always defend the killers them. Even the men them are territory lane. She come out and defend them. And I say them have rights too. But that's why I want you to give your home address and your work address. Not until you feel what our Jamaican people have been experienced for decades. Not until you, the shows go on your foot, you will know how it feel. I will say this without any apologies. You're the epitome of the devil. So we continue the journey. As you know, over here, saying the Jamaica Young Police Channel, hey, we're not see, we're not spearing a guy feeling. Yeah, man. Hey, look here. Let's give the video some thumbs up. Yeah, like the video. You can have 50 people I watch. Along we only have 12 likes. Come on, man. Give the video some like up the video and share it. Knowledge of power, you can't just keep it to yourself. Most people don't really want to hear the truth, They just want constant reassurance of what they believe is the truth. They love the comforting lies. Like how Michael Jackson tell them, say, oh, The victims them I killers them. Because through them hungry, make them kill people. I never hear all them kind of madness there. And then poor people buy that. Because through them illiterate and them not like read. And when we tell them to read them, say, oh, you come go on like you have some big tapper. We're not tappanaris. We don't forget where we come from. If we had forgotten where we had come from, we would not be doing this. We had to do this to save youth's life. That's why we left. Everybody did that. Everybody own it. A one person sick and dead and our youth named Skellion. Talk it all the way. Everybody that dove got me pen, made arrest. Some that are cemetery are foreign to. As I see them culture, them exported them. Criminality, that's all them impart to we. Or me for promote that kind of love. Me can't promote that. So she's the most dangerous woman in the world. This woman. So we are begging her. We are begging you, Michael Jackson. Please, let's contact you and give you your home address and your work address so we can give it to the people them at Johnson and Concrete Jungle. Because you have a license gun and you have it in your handbag every day. You and Donna Scott Matley. And we don't say you defend rapists, so you don't have a problem with that. And you defend killers, you don't have a problem with that. And men from my community, heartless, ruthless killers, contact me. I mean, Chris, well, you have an address because them you say you have gun. So them, I don't know, them want to tell you thanks. I just saw it go. So we don't like somebody we know you. Forgive your number, make your contact with, so we can give them your home address and your workplace address. And your time of operation when you're there in your office. I just saw it go. So we not here to defend the criminals. The criminals are our enemies. As we tell you before and we say again, I police them we are defend. And we love what's going on in Jamaica. So as we said before, we say again, Mark gonna be a goal, He's not a Jamaican, And we say, well, if you know where is his Jamaican birth certificate. He has none because he was born in London, England. And all we know is a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization member in our hierarchy, tell we. Because them see, criminality are weird, it's ugly to him. You understand? And see him have a little bossy slave there. I bottom. Him go invest see money with white people. You understand? And you know say a scammer them, you know say you understand. And then him want the government to take our money. No. The government are use the money to fight crime, not to give you back. So you go and go sue the white people, them will take your money. Because you're a dummy. You understand? What I mean? I have to tell you the truth. Most people don't like to hear the truth. We there for the police. And the police them I make Jamaica great again. What you mean? We want Jamaica great again. And you understand? And see top cap there, the man will make things happen in a St. James. I know 7 people right now, you understand, based on what has happened. Them say, boy, hey, I forgot Jamaica for the East side. And a man to go be a man, so they must stay, man, because them hotel already. Normally, some people that contact me, oh, me not go to Jamaica, because from this video, the one murder. You understand, man? Say, boy, hey, boy, support a one, can't get a number. No, we can't do that on them thing there. Man say, boy, me say if you want to go see Mr. Edwards, I forgot St. James and ask him. Just like how you see me, I saw him stay. You understand? And he's a man where he's an approachable person. But one thing with him, we can't tell you, he's not afraid. The man will always love a challenge. And the man has created history in a St. James because guess what? We talk with young police too, And them say, him out there with them on the street. And I like him out there as the man were in charge and a back. Him out there and the front. Remind me of one man named Leslie Ashman. So when boy a beat shot him, a beat back shot too. And them man they a leader. Criminal must live in a fear of losing them life, man, not the law-abiding citizens. And we not stop fight for this because we want back Jamaica. And with this government, the plans that them have, we'll get it back. But Jamaican people have to know them enemies. If you don't know your enemies, you're going in a problem. You have to know your enemy. See, biggest enemy that we have in Jamaica, Michael Jackson. So just look, we'll show you them. The first is the Jamaica Gleaner, edited by a white man named Matala. Him not white, or Arab. In case you do not know, those of you who understand history would know say the Arabs are only people them in the world. We are fight Arabs. I fight for the white. In which you can't call rain wet rain. Arabs are black people, you know. So guess what white people them do now? Even the guy when him MSB, the guy is Saudi Arabia, all of them are the white people that them call them sun niggers. So Matalan are not white man, although they portray themselves as white, you know, they are not white because they are not Europeans. Even if them born in Europe, because their nose, you have to just look on their nose, them big nose give them way. Because them have the same features as the Neanderthals. Everybody wants to say them wicked. So he's the man who in charge of Gleaner. And guess how I'm free friend? Man, gonna be a golden, the British man. So them I sell the British man to Jamaican, you know. Because them know say them have Jamaicans as fool, you know. If you tell us say, oh yeah, him saying born in Jamaica. I hear an idiot say, yeah, from him say that. It's not you understand? We can't allow that the mistake that happen to us as black people. So we have to reject him, send him back to England. The RGR is a part of the Gleaner, which was JBC back then in the days. JBC is a propaganda arm for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. But we say that we say it without any apologies. We are telling you the truth. Most people not gonna tell you the truth because they don't want to lose friendship. We not have a problem with that. We have people we are them for 30 years, we are them a friend. And we tell them the truth one time and then begs with it. And I just saw it go, no life lost. Because I had no idea and them thing there. Anytime we dead, we just want to know so we are got heaven. And that's what we are work for. We don't work for the devil. Because the devil is a liar. Then you have a next one named CVM. CVM is a station just like JBC. Promote criminality. A CVM come and put the criminal them on a pedestal. And every time them black road, and them come and show it because sensationalism, views sell. So in time one shooting and the people them black road, the same people them in their community want to see themselves on TV and CVM oblige. Then TVG join it. Then there comes Jamaican for Justice. Ronnie Tweets and his cousin, Carolyn Gooms. I saw them start Jamaican for Justice. And guess who found Jamaican for Justice? The black man named PJ Patterson. I don't care who want for Bex or who want for police, but I tell you the truth. PJ Patterson and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, they are the ones that give us Jamaican for Justice. The PMP, them use taxpayers' money and fund this organization. See woman there? That woman you see there, Carolyn Gomes, she an enemy of black people too. She and her husband have license gun too. So anyway, you see me have gun too. We not like, for you not like the police and you love criminal, we not like you. We no business. You could have black, white, yellow, or green. She not white either. Because she named Gomes. Gomes a Spanish name. Spanish people are black people. Most Jamaican know that. Because they not teach them things in their school. You forgot university if you know that. But then we portray themselves as them white, as if they are superior. They are not superior to us. They are recessive. Black people are the dominant race on earth. They not teach you that even in school of science at Jamaica. Because they more of you docile and passive and ignorant. For you see white people, you feel say God here say. Marcus Garvey said, if God is white, he don't want to meet God, because God can't be white. Because because white people, everything when you look about with white, everything when you see about evil equal whiteness. And whiteness never come about until recently. There's no white people on earth. That's why they never like Garvey. So you see woman right there? So this Spanish woman, Dr. Carolyn Gomes, she an enemy of black people. She got rich from the killings of poor Jamaicans. Keep telling them, say, police are them enemy, and I encourage the youth them to commit crimes. You understand? It's just like somebody will tell me, say, Jamaican for Justice, there was a man, we say police attack set pan him out of east, and him go rob him and him friend, and hold up a woman, and carry the mother in the son house, and the son were able to see them and kill the two of them. And Jamaican for Justice to come out and denounce him as a criminal and say, boy. But they use the Jamaica Cleaner to publish, say police harassed this criminal. But when he was killed, they were silent. That goes to show that these are the enemies of black people. So anyway, you see this woman, always remember that she's an enemy of black people. We say that without no apologies. Black people need to know them enemy. Anyone who encourage your children to commit crime and I tell us say police are problem, them are enemy of you as black people. When I was growing up in a Jonestown and people say, this if I have sense, in my community where me born and growing, if I have sense, I two things them in part to you. There's another blogger who's on YouTube when I call her name, but she never want the world to know. And she admitted to me because when me ask her, tell me the first two things that them tell you at Jonestown. You have 8 police or 8 labor. Every police and labor for dead. So who are going to take care? Who are going to give us security? Gunmen, the men them want to send for your daughter and rape her and kill her. Now these are the people. But yet this woman, Dr. Carolyn Gomes, same woman, she a PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization, supporter, activist and voter. She, Jamaican for Justice, birth, from PJ Patterson, PMP, After a PMP in a power, them a kill with crime, kill Jamaican people with crime, Them use the people money, taxpayers money, fund this organization, to continue to kill the Jamaican people, them, and defend criminals. So if you love criminal and criminality, a PMP LGBTQ plus is your party. I do not like criminal, period. Them destroy my community and the psyche of the youth them from my community. 2 hours left. 2. You understand? All them in part 2 are criminality. You're not going to hear them come out. You're not going to hear the PMP, Jamaican for Justice, the Gleaner, the Observer, and all of these media outlets in Jamaica come out and praise the police for what has happened in St. James. This has never happened since independence, where St. James have 1 murder for 1 month. This is something we're supposed to have headline news of Jamaica, and we don't see it. Well, them not do it, so we are do it. We are show the Jamaican, we are show the police officer them and the people them at St. James and the Jamaican people that we are very proud of you, and we're proud of our police officers them. Yeah, man. And we are going to be biased, and especially Eddie, DSP, Linwood. And one man alone can't do things, But say him and the man at the operation. Me know say the man come like bunny, like the energizer battery, Them man can't sleep, Them man love work, At first we see criminals upon the run. You understand? When we love it, I saw criminals must live in a fear of losing their lives, not the law-abiding citizens. So we give praises to the police them and to our enemies, yeah man, like the Ruan James, all corals now, corobunkers and dirty bungle. I mean a thief in police, all criminal. From you take sick leave and out there campaign for the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal. You're not a police officer, you're a political activist. You need to go down a Jonestown and go sit down beside George Pan and become George Pan second. You're not a police. You are the kind of police where we give criminal guns and gunshot because you do not see yourself as a police officer, yourself as an activist. And see a white daddy there, Mark Gummy be your golden, the British citizen who is there to come pillage Jamaica. We want to send him back. Jamaican people don't see it now who are a real enemy. From night I first, the people them at St. James, want nothing, more than what you say happening, St. James people, I first in our history since independence and since the police keep stats, we don't have 1 murder. We can't go back, we have to move forward. Can't take this train off of the track. We have to roll with the police them, and we have to roll with the people them who support the police. Meaning the Prime Minister, the Minister of National Security, and the Commissioner of Police. Who could have said Dr. Kevin Blake a labor right little more. Me no business in my police. We never hear him come out and I say, we not see him come out there. Like, hey, look here, like Renita Adams. And him, hey, after him and do son of friend, our black man. I don't like Renita Adams, where Renita Adams a drink with Danai Williams. And Danai Williams, I say Renita Adams I'm boy. You can't say that about Dr. Blake. Dr. Blake is a professional. But he's a labor right. The man a police, labor right what? Now because through the man subscribe to the criminal organization philosophy. like Clifford Blake. What you mean? Clifford Blake and Daniel Williams are friend and Skendon. I pay a criminal them keep as friend. Oh, you know can say a Dr. Blake friend. Dr. Blake kind of like Francis Swabs. But Francis Swabs I use the commissioner of police vehicle for escort Daniel Williams to go down our office. We none of that. So we big up Dr. Blake and the police force. And the police officer them will do a good job. Great job they have been doing. We cannot let the tide stop. Keep on the pressure upon the criminal them. And Jamaican people, anytime you see a police officer, we not talk the thief them, because we don't know a thief in police them in the division, you know. Yes. And look here, all like thief in police them in the division, push them out, send them to we, expose them. Because once you get them name, we are contact them, you know, and if them not, it is either them accept, because we want evidence to, you know, for sure you say them a criminal, you know, because we want them out of our police force. Because Dr. Blake not play with them, you know. We want decent people, because poor people, children are police officers. You understand? Boy, we love what I go on, man. Hey, may I tell you, say, first in this long time, we feel this happy. If you know, say, Jamaica on the right track when it come on to crime. Criminals on the run. We I tell you, man, I run for them life. What you mean? No, as them say, when you're a criminal now in a Jamaica in a 2025, you're going to have a bad day. What you mean? I say it go. What you mean? Criminal must have bad day. No criminal not supposed to enjoy a man about say, oh, my bad man I'm done. Now man I won than that Jamaica, just like what Edward Seaga said. And I Prime Minister Andrew Wilness. Why, hey, look here. Hey, the man make a 360, me I tell you. So I'm realizing, you know, say, them thing that them excuse or them thing that them teach him up at University of West Indies. It's him called a criminal because the University of the West Indies is a PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and university. Where you send your good children them go there and come out become criminal sympathizers. The Prime Minister, I don't know, wake him up. You understand? And then I realize, I know, for them philosophy, I destroy this country and the people. And we want back this country. And that's how we are get it back. And thanks to DSP Edwards. People are so many times I tell, oh, you mean? We can't stop telling thanks. And we have a friend them, we come to Jamaica for Easter. We book all them flight. How them feel safe now for go to Jamaica. And no, once them thing are going on, the economy are going to grow. And you know who this bad for? But it's bad for the criminal them. But yeah, that's how we want it for them. We want criminals say all years have a bad day. We don't stop celebrate the police them, man. We love it. Those who don't love it, hey, you can't just swim a bridge and them thing there, you know if you do. When it's if you can't swim, go over a causeway and jump off. Can't shot you, hey, we have the way the sea global warming take over the world. Even on a causeway, you know, you have a shot they just wait for you to jump off. So those who don't like the police, let's go by a causeway and jump off. All right? That's how we are saying. Yeah, man. And we know the people them. Who don't like the police, as we tell you, I say, yeah. As we tell you, you see people them from my community, the way them dumb, you can't, let me tell you yesterday, you can't give them pies of a drink and tell them say somebody else are dead. That's how dumb these people are. So we not stop support with police officers them because they are the backbone of the country. Without the police, a criminal would have run things. We don't want the guy run things. Hey, the only people for run things in Jamaica are police. The police them, yeah, you understand? So we not stop big up the police them, man. So Marvin Reed, Alona Samba said it best, we ensure that all critical areas of civil servants are stocked with pure PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organizations, supporters and activists. That is true. And if you had heard, we had spoken with a man and him said everything before it even happened, the PMP them know because them have them people inside there. You have all people have all 1,000-year contract in a government. What kind of thing that? In a government, if you are a political appointee, once the government changes, you're supposed to out. But the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, they have created this atmosphere where the people have a 100-year contract. Hey, them people have something else, you know. And the prime minister have to do something about it. You have to fire them because these people, they are enemies of the Jamaican people and the rule of law. Them not like police. Remember say them, hey, these are the people, you know. Remember saying I pay when I was police, you know. PJ Patterson, you know, them, the people, them, you know them though? Them defund the police, defund the police force, you know. We never have no vehicle. If we take a taxi up a murder scene. Now the police, them have all drone, helicopter, all kind of thing. The police them have all vehicle like Humvee. Them the amount of things where them spend upon the police them. And we're glad for that. Because guess what? It motivates the police them and them know so them have the tools to fight. In my time, guess what? I lucky, you know. We never have no bulletproof vest. Them police them have everything bulletproof vest. Them have all for all them knee, them shank, all ankle. Them have all ankle proof on them thing now. Ankle bulletproof. Because the government care about crime. They want to rid the country of crime. And they might get the support from the people. And we're glad for the informers them at Jamaica. You understand? We not stop support the police them, man. So you're right, the PMP LGBTQ is a criminal organization. I know that. A PMP community me born and raised, you know. Me tell you that I come from the belly I beast. Which part it start? There's no guy on the TV, no journalist in Jamaica don't have the credential and credibility as yours truly. Because I saw it for myself growing up. A PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, police officer, big youth, and police barrier, them coming to my community, come issue gun for PMP, for kill Jamaican people, because them a labor right. I don't subscribe to that. I'm gonna ask a boy, labor right for dead. Labor rights are Jamaican. If all I would think the same, the whole of we be criminal and a POR. Looking at PMP community them. All in a Johnson, a POR, man from one of this street, you can't go out of the street there. In the 1980s, that never happened. Edward Seaga and take away all of the artificial borderline. Can say I want Jamaica. Understand a real commission. No, I'm on a police. I saw them do them turn tech criminal and all up you even all them head surgeon up there, you know if I'm a really surgeon. Because I saw them do be a criminal. Daniel Williams went into hiding during Bruce Wallen administration 2000. Him should have from them the man should have gone long time, man. But see film data now when him Danishka Williams, we should come out with something with Daniel Williams, you know. Because we are sure you say the PMP is really a criminal organization. We don't care how them have them surrogate and them criminal them elsewhere, sabotage Jamaica. We not stop chat the truth. You understand? So you heard Michael Jackson may be related to Fix Jackson. That time I put so okay, so them need for experience what it is like if lose a member of them family. So an elder from my community in Montego Bay said that in the 1970s, men were held and tied up by home guards and a manly who did not see eye to eye with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organ. Home guards and them turn all in a DC after. Tesha Miller punishment is now intensified because his uncle was killed by the police recently. Yes. So tell them Porter it's time we take back our. I mean we have to take it back. IPMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Them my problem in Jamaica, them promote criminality and support them. Vibes Cartel is a massive big up in a Guyana. We soon deal with Vibes Cartel because Vibes Cartel is supposed to come back to America. We are gonna work with Todd. With Todd, the man of Vibes Cartel make them shoot up his wife. You understand? And Donald Trump in a power now on them thing there. And you know it go already with the real admiral thing. And Marcus Garvey, you want me against socialism. That's why all we are going on, you know. You see when you say the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters them and politicians have visit Marcus Garvey grave. I true them not ashamed. Because them never like Garvey. Michael Manley father, Norman Manley sent Garvey to prison because him called Marcus Garvey nigger. Enough people don't know that. When Michael Manley, you know, was an architect when he come on to deception, you know, and lies, you know. And Michael Manley was a very deceitful and wicked man. A man never love poor people. If Michael Manley love poor people, them telling me the trajectory of Jamaica, the road that Jamaica was on, if Michael Manley had continued on that route, on that path, Jamaica would be the Singapore of the Caribbean right now. And Michael Manley destroyed Jamaica. Him destroy Jamaica single-handedly. Him and the others, them who want power. Just like what you say happening right now in America. When people want power and the core beliefs, because them afraid to stand up to a leader. That is what happened. That's why we can't allow this guy from England, no foreigner to be a prime minister. But you see, you have to understand, everywhere you go in this world, you have low IQ people. You see where people think with them belly and don't think with them mind. That is what happened. That's why America have the biggest con man ever. And right now, they must say it's like the man have syphilis and it eat out him brain. That's why he behave that way there. I'm a puppet, him is a Russian puppet. Right now, America are falling. It will take decades to America come back to the fore. So right now it will go right back now. See like a Britain now become back the empire. The British Empire go rule back the world. Because America has lost its way. And Europe now have nothing to do with America. Because America feels them a God and them dominate the world, And them realize now say the tide are changed. We can't allow this man. We can't only fool Jamaican, big up this man, I man a foreigner. Man tell us he come from Jamaica and he can't show you him birth certificate because he was not born there. There's no record of Mark Golden born at UC. You have some dummy saying born at Jubilee. And them saying born at Jubilee and him saying born at UC. Him saying born at Kingston. UC and a Kingston, UC at St. Andrew. What's why dummy them saying? When a man tell lie and him don't know him history and it's not true and you make up things as you go along. That's how it go. And him say man come out and tell them, we do a video, After we release, and we we're glad for that viewer, that person who put up that. After we had put up him I-94, same born in London, England. Because you have a thing in America named Freedom of Information Act. Well, you understand? Privacy in America, but when it come on to people, like forget personal information when you come in our country, you can get it through the Freedom of Information Act. And when we release that information, and the following day him come out and admit that he's not a Jamaican. He never say before then, he used to say that him born a Jamaica. That after that now, him come out and say, boy, him grew up here. And they fool him. You don't see the media or say nothing about it because all of these people are a part of the cabal and they are part of to destroy the Jamaican people. So Jamaican people, everywhere you go, they have enemies within. People who don't love their own country. You see, when you have traitors around you, that's how happening in your country. So see them here, see some of my biggest traitors them are Jamaica there. World traitor, Boss Slave, Wilfred Rattigan, that are Ratty. Him, I don't know all them man working there who used to work for the FBI, man, but I don't know, like a million lawyers spitting a female. The man have no conscience. The man come from Waterhouse and the man not even try to help them one youth them. Whenever you send down some Garvey book, like how we send Garvey book to Jamaica, to help the youth them, to make them read and start think. When I have to talk about Batty Face Peter Bunting, because him have one of the biggest drug dealers in Jamaica in him corner. A man, remember say them bring all man come to Jamaica to kill all the Prime Minister. Diane Jackson Miller, another traitor, she was one of them on the USIA PA list where she get money from NPR to promote rear admiral behavior at Jamaica. Yes. So anybody will say them a PMP, you can't tell me say you not support Batty, man. Because Mark Golden support it. Him and Peter Bunting and the rest of them. So if you are PMP, you are PMP. If you're not a Batty man, you support Batty man. So nobody come tell about Batty man to get fire or fire for Batty man. A fire for you. The PMP LGBTQ plus is a criminal organization. You see how them normalize it easy? A big belly white guy just come and tell us, boy, open up your body and take it like a girl. And the whole of them do it. None of them not come out and say nothing. You can't. Me don't want to be no part of the party with the batty man business. You understand? Especially in a black man country. In America, a white man, because them that I fight in America with white people and white people. You know, nothing to do with black people. But when a big belly white guy come tell you as a black man for open up your body, and take it like a girl, and you say, yeah, you know, so you're not dummy. Them not believe in a God. And yet see them boy them walk with them like a blue Bible in them back pocket. You know, say none of them reel up and say, oh, and this the brother here this way, and things say we are idiot. Them don't know say I see him Batman business. I them use and terrorize our ancestors. That's why in a way, it's genetics. That's why we don't like them. And them depraved mind people them. We don't care them fight with because them don't want to hear truth. White people and a whole are inherently evil people. And all of them, you know, some of them. I see them white people that never fight the other white people them to get rid of slavery. But guess what? They never get rid of slavery because they want it. It was because it was hurting them financially. A man named Taki start burn on the cane field them. You have to lick them where it hurts, where money. And money, everything is all about money. They don't care about humanity and people. Just like gummy bear. Trima get money from George Soros. All on the big artists them say boy, big up themselves and all them a fight. Fight for who? The only somebody them a fight for. Actually the rear admiral them. I tell us about open up your body and take it like a girl. What kind of man them? What kind of people them this? You understand? I see all the frothy mouth Muta Baruka there and the other one named Buju Bantan. These are the people I want to look up to. These are people that are morals. Guess what? I was part of them some more. The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, frothy mouth Muta Baruka and Buju Bantan, all coke dealer. These are people, coke or something will destroy people. Buju Bantan endas, Muta Baruka endas Buju Bantan. Him endas Vibes Cartel, because Vibes Cartel a killer. And cartel, nobody cartel never kill nobody for him, or Buju Bantan. So them not a problem with that. Until in time it affect them. We don't wait till nothing affect we. We are right across the board. We believe in a decency. Jamaicans discover that the Rastafarians are not patriots, but rather aligned with the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Them not no loyalty. You have to understand, you know. These are people not no loyalty. So if you look, yeah, look there. Muta Baruka is one of the most wicked Rasta. He claimed that it was Vibes Cartel's influence that prevented the PMP criminal LGBTQ plus organization from signing the document to free Jamaica from the British terrorists who enslaved our ancestors. I saw them man are wicked, you know. Remember, until the Prime Minister wanted to turn Jamaica into a republic. And a big belly white guy there because the one Jamaica become a republic, him can't stay in a parliament, him have to go back to him country. Because in the thing, where it say you have to born a Jamaica to be prime minister. In the born a Jamaica. Only a fool that make a foreigner rule over them in a 2025. But guess what? You see PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, supporters, voters, and activists, them licky. Them not have nothing in patriotism, them not love Jamaica. You're not going to see none of them come out. None of PMP them. You're not going to see one PMP come out and celebrate what the police officers have done in regards with crime right now. Not one of them. You're not going to hear them come out and commend the police. And I say, yes, big up to DSP Linward Edwards and all of the police officers in St. James. Them have one. Them not going to say that. Them wouldn't mind if them did have 300 murder, so them can out there and campaign on it. Who's murder? And guess what? Remember, say 98% of criminal them in a prison in Jamaica. A PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization communities them come from. The only thing the PMP know for breed are criminals like chinks. Me not ask you, I tell you. Born and growing in belly of beast. We talk all the time. Any PMP scholar want to challenge me. Me no go to a big school. I St. Mary's College, me go to Jamaica. Any PMP scholar want to come challenge me and tell me otherwise. And I come tell me about say, boy, them are the same. They are not the same. The Jamaica Labour Party don't have no human rights organization for criminals. They don't have none. Because them know say government is supposed to be there to defend the rights of a citizen. But they are pretty much there defending the rights of killers and turn the victims them in a villain and big up the killers them. A first in a decade we see criminal in the pan run. You think they might come out? You think they might come out tomorrow and say, boy, and put it all upon the front of Gleaner and say history created in Jamaica. One murder in St. James for the month of February 2025. And then put a caveat and say, Jamaica, we can do this. They are not going to do it because their job is to destroy poor people's mind and them life. The PNP LGBT plus criminal organization never love Jamaica. Them only love power. For going there and rob, thief. You know how much billions of dollars Danai Williams, them give Danai Williams say, run election for PNP and them a give it back. We're going to do all a video about that. And we're showing say them are real enemy of Jamaican people. Them say the Jamaica Labour Party corrupt and when you hear nobody thief the money, and billions of dollars when you hear this or hear that. Because them mean them gunmen, we talk to all criminal in a Jamaica. And them tell you say labor right them no Lego. Cause them believe in every money we spend, them supposed to account for it. We don't love criminals. We love the police and law abiding citizens. I just saw it go. You can't say you're PMP. You support the PMP and you can't tell you say you don't support Batman. You can't have it both ways. We don't see none of them come out after Mark Golding tell them and them son. So open up your body and take it like a man. Yeah, take it like a man in your body. Yeah, like our girl take it. Take it. We don't see none of them come out and do it. None of them come out and denounce. And say what kind of thing this big belly white guy from England coming our country and I come do. No, because the whole of them licky. If afraid of white people. At one time you can dead. And millions of our ancestors them kill. They are real or they are the real and the original terrorists of this world. And we say that without any apologies. If you look on the white history and look for Africa, Asia, everywhere, all them bring was death, destruction, and pain and suffering to other race of people. You think them decent? A force they were forced and I pretend to be decent. Leopard cannot change its spot. A snake can't change its skin, but it's still a snake. Look on a white man there bottom. Like if you used to watch Duppy show with vampire, and you say all the time, them remember you know, how to kill vampire and them thing there. If you watch all Duppy show with Peter Cushing and Christopher Lee and all of them people there, when you open up a window in a castle them where vampire they live, and the light and the sun ray catch a vampire, it's like how you see the man there, or it's like build beneath him eye like a volcano. His name George Soros. The man the epitome of evil, them call him Lord Evil, you know. That the man that own Butch Banton so on and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization and the guy when he and Chief Curry and Vibes Cartel. They are the one that infiltrate the because them are part of the Democratic movement with Joe Biden. I saw make all of them get visa. All of the rear admiral, I saw all the beanie man them get visa. Once when name Donald Trump knows say them affiliated with him, the whole of them all lose them visa and them may ban them. Because them shouldn't get no visa for come back in America. Beanie Man, Buju Banton, Vibes Cartel, Adonai, who else? Right now, I don't remember nobody else. So. But I know them 4 artists that them not for come again in America. Vibes Cartel try to kill Tad and him wife, make him wife get shot up. Them contact them congressperson personnel and write the letter and outline everything the relationship and how and the people them a shoot them and them thing there. Buju Banton, big coke dealer, cause coke is something that destroy people. But because him, I support the rear admiral movement, the Batman movement, that's why him get back him visa. I don't know about no Grammy. Same thing with Vibes Cartel, because Joe Biden was the president. The world is just in a mess, you know, with corruption and criminality and dirty life. Yeah, dirty life, you know, apartheid. George Soros own Buju Banton's soul. He's Lord Evil behind the curtain. The man is such an enemy of God and God's creation that he's banned from his own country of birth. Them take when the man birth, him citizenship from Hungary, him can't go back there. Period. All him statue the people, them desecrated. And yet, see the man that we promote criminality in our country and batty business. Mark, gummy beer, golden. Anybody, all in my family where you're PMP. And about, oh, you're a liar, you tell. You support Batman. Big time. I will say that without no apologies. You support Batman. So I can't tell you nothing. From you support the PMP, you support Batman. All I wanna. George Spang, support Batman because you're a PMP. The whole I want to support Batman. You can't support Batman and you can't both you know support Batman in a PMP. For you support Batman and you know a PMP, you're a Batman too. What you mean? If you don't believe in something, you can't support it. You can't be wishy-washy. Your party has support something about, oh, I'm not support it. Remember, them tell you, anything when them tell you, believe them, Just like what Donald Trump did tell the people, them, hear what them say. The fool them say, oh, no, a joke, him not going to do it. See him do it now. And this man telling us if you open up on a body and take it like a girl. So when I talk about say, most of the criminal them in Jamaica are real admiral them. And guess how which political party them align with? The PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. So before we end, we have to thank the police them and those who pessimistic about Jamaica. I hope you can say something positive now about Jamaica because thanks to Deputy Superintendent of Police Leonard Edwards and the police hierarchy in St. James and the Commissioner of Police, the Prime Minister and the Minister of National Security. These are the people that we have to thank because they are the ones that are in the government. There's nothing we can't thank the PMP for. The only thing we know say, them breed criminals like Chink. That's all them do. And encourage you to commit crimes and blame the police. Just like what we say Peter Bunting, Michael Jackson, go down in the command and say them for lock up the police, them for murder. If it was up to these people, St. James would have 100 murder. But the police them never let go. They just do them work. So just look at who are the enemy, Jamaican people, black people. See how your enemy there, Peter Bunting, Michael Jackson. Them all be in the come for arrest and charge cops and soldiers with murder without evidence. Him say it, we do a video about it. These people are for the killers in Jamaica. Them bonfire Peter Bunting come out. And I say want to know what's going on. I mean what go on. I work the police them I work. Work them I work. Batty face Peter Bunting. Broad face Michael Jackson. Jamaican for criminals. Enemies are black people. We support the police. So see him now. Mark gonna be a golden and the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization attacking the police force. They did it last month 3 times in a one day. All of them come out and attack the police. You know, I hear them come out and praise the police for saying one murder in a St. James. Jamaican people have no enemy. If you don't love the killing, and don't love the batty business where you don't open up on a batty and take it like a girl, ride with them. Because they are, remember saying the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, not even God them fear, Not even God, Satan himself fear God. And them not fear God. So them even wicked and Satan. We have a choice. We have the option to choose between good and evil. You're supposed to say who is good and who is evil. We can't play by the rules of criminals. How we have to take back the streets and take it back from these terrorists. And who will do it? Do it with the support of the majority of Jamaican people who want back them country. Don't ride with these people. Mark gonna be a goal in need to go back to England. We can go and be the run for prime minister there. Because guess what? With fame African Jamaican wife. You see him white people in England, them not gonna vote for him. Can't number one, there's so many people there already, but them send him down, them send him come here in Jamaica. If he come be prime minister, if he mash up the country. So we have to send him back. And thief in Peter Bunting, you know what I mean? A amount of people, 1,000 of people them get rich off from Finsack and Michael Jackson. Yeah man. We want our home address and our work address and our hours of operation to give the men them from my community. So them can come tell you thanks. Because you have a gun when you travel with it in your handbag. So anyway, you don't see her. You understand? You can't tell her thanks. She an enemy of black people. How we do we want back our country and we start get it back a little. And who we have to thank? I police. I police I do your work. You see enemies them there, the Gleaner, RJR, CVM and TVJ, them are enemy people. They haven't they haven't put it out there and make the people them say the police have done a remarkable job by creating history. One murder in a month of February 2025. When them did forecast say you're supposed to have 200 because of that the PMP in a pray for. Cause you see them run guy in the come and I say why them feel lock up the police them without evidence. Peter Bunting and Michael Jackson. You know, say, they are the mouthpiece of Mark gonna be a golden. They want to know what is happening. Why? About extrajudicial killing what? We don't know say nothing about when them a kill with people them. We don't want no camera upon the police them. If you don't want camera, put camera upon phone head. I will see which part of the live. So people can come there and get on a gun and tell you no thanks. I want no wife. I'm big fat Michael Jackson with that big broad face. See it on them. Them defend rapists and murderers. Men from my community want to tell her thanks. And we are beg her for reach out to her. It's a public service announcement. We know our enemy and she are one of them. PJ tell the people them a man to go be that he might make them salt to wooden spoon. Him and when PJ Patton suffer before him dead man. You understand? The man there epitome of evil. You once said the PMP supporters protested on the arrival of Marcus Garvey return at the airport. What kind of dumb is this? Which Marcus Garvey arrived at Jamaica on plane. You once said the PMP supporter protested on the arrival of Garvey return at the airport. Nah, man, Garvey never come back to Jamaica on a plane. I'm ship. And them time, I'm the, when Garvey come back on him, when Garvey reach back to Jamaica, the plane, and the plane him come back. Pan. Ugly. So we don't want to talk about all them fool. What role did the ambassador? Yeah, man, Estrada. He not going like in my pride because you see the same way like how Estrada behave. I see me Elon must behave in America. You understand? Tony Rebel came out strong against the COVID vaccine, but it's totally silent now. So all of a sudden, everybody had become scientists. Me, I'm not a scientist, so I don't know. Yeah, I mean, but that in COVID still about because them have a them have a wicked strain right now where to kill people. But it was on the news this evening that the former PMP councillor turn a marketing St. Thomas into a car dealership while the vendors are to sell their produce on the streets. Oh, really? So, why are some them people the evil man? The PMP them turn. So I wish PMP can't say that. So what? Them supposed to lock him up, man. Him not supposed to do that. Why I saw them people, them lawless still doing it. Just like all even the guy where him name Swaby. But thanks, you could have spend your time somewhere else and you decide to spend it us here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. And it's a joy, spending time with you guys and sharing the good news. This is something where you're not gonna say elsewhere, but you can say see it here. I will tell you already, we are for the police, we are for law abiding citizens. We don't like no criminals and we don't like nobody. Anyone who support criminals are our enemies. You understand? We love the police. And you love the police, we are gonna love you. And we are for law abiding citizens. And we want, yeah man, DSP Leonard Edwards, so we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We appreciate the work that he and his men and women in a St. James, along with the hierarchy there, along with the Commissioner of Police, in which we are the Jamaica Young Police Channel, I go say it today, and when I say it again, yeah man, Dr. Kevin Blake, I best Commissioner of Police since Herman Ricketts. I have served with all of them, and that's why I tell you say in my best since Herman Ricketts. When Herman Ricketts was Commissioner of Police, police were motivated. Trust me, I ask you. I even see him DSP Leonard Edwards, they tell you so. Yes, we were like royalties then. But hopefully when Jamaica become a republic, Jamaica will get back them status. The Jamaican Constabulary Force members will get back them status where we get rid of thief in police them and all of these things. But you have to understand the police are part of a society. And if this either a stream dirty, I bottom are dirty. But hey, look here, the stream are clean up now. We have a different sheriff in town. The prime minister is on a different mission. You know, the prime minister, I sure say him love the law-abiding citizens, and me not with the criminals them, and the national security minister, the Chinaman, why my work. But hey, the only labor, we don't like the labor guy named Delroy Chuck, cause Delroy Chuck should have him should be a PMP, cause I'm sympathetic to criminals. Yeah, that we say it without no apologies. Yeah, man. We love what is happening in Jamaica right now. And we support Dr. Blake, Dr. Kevin Blake 100%. We support the Prime Minister 100%. We support Dr. Chang 100%. We support the police force 100%. But we don't support the thief in police them. You understand? This is the least corrupt government we have in Jamaica since 1989. And we can any PMP scholar can come on the Jamaica Young Police Channel and argue that because we are not a dummy. We never got the University of the West Indies, which part them brainwashed to be criminals, enablers, and sympathizers. No, we know that. We got St. Mary's College. We are conservative. Criminals must live in a fear of losing their lives, not the law-abiding citizens. Have yourself a beautiful day. And we say to all criminals, they must have a bad day. And we pray that God continue to protect the police and, yeah, man, give the commissioner of police more wisdom, strength, and this administration. We don't take the train off our track. And guess what? Remember, you can't say you're PMP and you don't support Batman. If not a lie, you tell. From your PMP, you're Batman or you support Batman. And you're PMP, you don't believe in a God. Remember that. If you tell anybody else anything else, you're a liar. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.